It's a wrong precedent creating by Karnataka government, Mr. Siddaramaya. Already Kerala CM has tweeted, in Karnataka it is a bulldozer state. Now today, Mr. Siddaramaya, Karnataka CM, is sharing with Kerala CM. Means he accepted. It is shame to Karnataka people. This is illegally. We demand the government give the national agency to inquire his citizenship. That is our demand. Because they are telling, we are coming from Kerala, we are coming from Andhra, we are coming from Tamil Nadu, we are coming from West Bengal. They are telling, they are claiming, last 25 years we are staying here. But in the Google, last 1 year Google, there is no entire green. It is a Google map is with me. Google map with me. It's a green. How can she? Some lady telling his age is 26. 26. She is telling from last 24 years he is staying here. How can? She is from Andhra. 2 years baby can travel here. How can it is possible? All fake. Today BJP visiting this place. Yesterday the local leader Wasim is a Congress leader. He only collected the money from every person. 5 lakhs rupees. Every person. He given agreement, GPA, everything. So he vacated all the Bangladeshis. Nearby Muslim is there, na? Nearby 5 kilometers, 6. They brought here today. They are showing their Aadhaar card. I am a Bengalorean. I know very well. They are not here. They are from a 5-6 kilometer area. They are claiming, I am here. How can they claim? Because his Aadhaar card in 5 kilometers back, his ration card in 5 kilometers back. This is 100% this government. Because of Venugopal, he want to become the CM of Kerala. He want to become CM of the Kerala. That's why there, this more than 650 crores value of worth of the land. This is the land. Here square feet 10,000 rupees is there. So he's donating for Venugopal. It is the property belongs to Karnataka people, taxpayers of Karnataka. How can it possible? It is my demand. That's why this is illegal. If you start the illegal, within 2 days they are giving the flat for these people. How can it is possible?